DEVONthink versus Paperless NGX? Which document management software is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison of DEVONthink, which is a platform of Mac and iOS, and Paperless NGX, which operates on cross-platform and open source, exploring features, ease of use, and ideal workflows for various users. So first up is DEVONthink, a polished information manager designed exclusively for macOS and iOS. This isn't just a folder full of PDFs, it's an AI-assisted knowledge base. DEVONthink can auto-categorize documents, apply smart tags, and even learn how to organize your files over time. You can either import files directly or link to folders already on your device, and everything is stored either locally or synced securely using encrypted cloud services. If you're someone who prefers working offline, it's got you covered, but there's a trade-off. It's not cheap and it won't work on Windows or Linux, and while it handles PDFs well, its OCR tools for images and Word docs can be limited unless you rely on native indexing. Next is PaperlessNGX, which is an open source solution that runs in your browser and works on nearly any system. It's built for tech-savvy users who don't mind getting under the hood. PaperlessNGX runs via Docker and is a fantastic option if you want centralized document storage with automation. It includes OCR through Tesseract, automatic tagging, and supports scanning straight into organized folders. You can preview, classify, and archive files efficiently. The downside is that there is no native desktop app, just a web interface, and setting it up requires a bit of technical skill. So if you're a Mac enthusiast who needs a refined user experience, smart search, and tight organization, DEVONthink is a strong choice. If you're looking for something free, flexible, and accessible from any device, PaperlessNGX is a solid alternative, especially for managing receipts, bills, or shared file systems. Some power users even use both PaperlessNGX for archiving and OCR, then bring those files into DEVONthink for deeper organization and tagging. DEVONthink is ideal for professionals who value structure and speed on Mac. PaperlessNGX wins in cross-platform accessibility and automation if you don't mind a little setup. Pick the one that matches your workflow, and this video helped you decide. Give it a like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.